Ang claim po ng kampo ni VP Sara, no, na dito po sa aligasyon na ito, wala ngang ultimate facts. At ito nga daw po based on speculation and built on conclusion. Ano ho ang hawak ng komite based on the complaint na may nagpapatunay na totoo pong merong unexplained wealth ang BP at maging merong mga irregularidad sa kanyang SALN?
Well, right now, Manong Ted, no? Ang hawak lang natin ay yung naging manifestation ni Congressman Ridon, if you remember, the 2 SALN which were shared during the determination of sufficiency in substance of the third and the fourth impeachment complaint. No? Nevertheless, ayon sa ating mga justice members, hindi natin pwede i-expect ang mga complainants to have with them already this bank records considering that they are protected by the bank secrecy law. No? As a matter of fact, maliwanag sa batas na itong impeachment cases, this is the only opportunity kung saan pwedeng mag-request ang complainant ng subpoena bank records. That is through the compulsory processes power granted to the House of Representatives and even to the Senate. No? So, bagaman tama ka, Manong Ted, sa observation mo na kulang sa attachment. But the explanation to this, according to the members, they cannot avail yet of the bank record protected by the bank secrecy law. And they are actually taking advantage of this process, the impeachment process, to be able to present those bank records in support of the allegations of unexplained wealth. No? So, ito naman, in-explain na ni Cong Terry Ridon during his manifestation. His theory about the offense committed is dapat yung kanyang nag-generate na income wherever they come from should be disclosed either in the SALN or in the income tax return. Otherwise, kung hindi ma-disclose, his theory is that constitutes unexplained wealth.
Mga kapatid, para sa iba pang mga balita at impormasyon, sundan niyo po kami sa X, Instagram, Facebook at syempre sa TikTok, True Network PH. Mag-subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, True Network. May website din po tayo, truenetwork.ph, at pwede niyo rin po kaming mapanood sa Channel 19 ng aming True FM TV. Lagi pa rin makinig sa radyo dito po sa 105.9 True FM dahil dito, lagi po sa'yo, kapatid.
Ito tayo sa totoo, tunay at tapat.